Hi guys, this is Bonnie. I just wanted to show you a Dodgy suburb in Perth in action. So if you think I'm making things up in my video, look at this. Look, these people didn't do their grasses and their gardening in like years. They really need to do some loaning. Are we in Belga? I think we are in Belga. What is this? This is Belga. I'm going on to Girrawheen. So I just thought it was so dodgy I had to video it.
This is Girrawheen.
This is Girrawheen. Welcome to Girrawheen. Look at this. Look at this taxi is standing in the middle of the road. What the hell is he doing? Mate, are you moving left or right? Okay, it's a learning school, so he's practicing how to park. We gotta forgive him, it's a learning school. Shopping trolleys, rubbish bins outside of the... Are these guys killers or not?
Alright, we're here.
We are here, now I gotta go. So, bye bye.